Expanded form, day 3. Ready to work? Make sure you pause the video as you solve it and then push play when you're ready to check your answers. Ready? 56 equals 50 plus 6. 38 equals 30 plus 8. Add your tens column. 50 plus 30 equals 80. Add your ones column. 8 plus 6 is 14. I know that because that 6 is going to give the 8 a 2, and there's 4 left over. I use my break apart strategy to help me. 80 plus 10 equals 94. All those strategies we've practiced this year on our basic facts, we continue to use every day on bigger numbers. Pause and work, and then come back when you're done. 34 equals 30 plus 4. 18 equals 10 plus 8. 30 plus 10 equals 40. 8 plus 4, well, that 4 is going to give me 2 and keep 2 for itself, so 10 plus 2. There's the 10 we made. 40 plus 10 equals 50, plus 2 is 52. 47 plus 39. 40 plus 7 and 30 plus 9. 40 plus 30 equals 70. Remember, when I say 9 plus 7, you think 10 plus 6, because we're going to make a 10. 70 plus 10 equals 86. 56 is 50 plus 6. 26 equals 20 plus 6. 50 plus 20 equals 70. 6 plus 6 is doubles, so 10 plus 2. 70 plus 10 is 82. Oh, I got ready to expand that, and do you know what I noticed? 3 plus 6 is only equal to 9, which is less than 10. And 30 plus 20 equals 50, which is less than 100. So I don't need to expand it. I can just write NSN, which means no strategy needed. I show my thinking by showing that I thought through it and realized that. Nice. 55. 50 plus 5 and 20 plus 8. 50 plus 20 equals 70. 8 plus 5 equals 13, which is a 10 plus 3. 70 plus 10 equals 83. 27 plus 29. 20 plus 7. 20 plus 9. 20 plus 20 equals 40. Remember, when I say 9 plus 7, I think 10 plus 6. So 56. 50 plus 6 equals 56. 40 plus 4 equals 44. 90 plus 10. Oh, I love that. Partners to 100. Oh, look close at this problem. What do you notice? Do you notice how low all my digits are? N, S, N. I can just add my tens column and get 60. Add my ones column and get 6. NSN. That shows my thinking. And 19, 10 plus 9, and 34, 30 plus 4, 40 plus, 9 plus 4 equals 10 plus 3. So 53. Great practice today, kids. Great job.